Yeah, yeah. The press side won't fuck.
Welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Scoofy here, back with another video for you guys today. And it has been a while since I've done one of these, but I finally picked up some Supreme and I just want to show you guys what I picked up. But before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and invite your friends and family. Without further ado, let's get on into the video.
I had came up out the trenches and I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you.
Guys, so here we are. We have the first unboxing, I think, for Supreme this year. I haven't really been picking up any Supreme because I've been kind of just investing my money in other things. For example, stocks, real estate stuff, a new business that me and a couple of my guys started. So, you know, stuff like that. If I do see something that I like or that I feel is worth some money, of course I'm gonna join the hype. So let's take a look. Now, I do hold on to this stuff because I think this would be, I'm trying to work on building my like Supreme room, not Supreme room, but just like my hype beast room. So I kind of keep this stuff for that. But until I get that perfected and I get that hype beast room, you know, I'm just gonna collect for now. But let's see what we got. So of course you got your Supreme stickers. Okay. And then we have the Supreme Wheaties. This is a dope ass box, I can't even lie. So we got the Supreme Wheaties, the Breakfast of Champions. That's pretty dope, I can't even lie. Like that. Show you guys a full box. Now this is the black camo box. So that's that. And then we got the white Supreme Wheaties shirt. All right, so this is a medium, if I'm correct. Yeah, we got that in a medium. Now, as you know, I don't open this stuff, but if you guys really want to see what it looks like outside of the packaging, then I will definitely open it for you guys once this video gets to 50 likes. All right, so that's it. Just want to show you guys the pickup there. Picked up the Supreme Wheaties and the Supreme Wheaties t-shirt. All right, I do have the white box coming as well. So if you guys want to see that, I'll also show you the white Supreme Wheaties box. So that's it. Subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, like this video if you like it. Scoofy here, and I'm out.
I'm feeling rich this week. As long as my family did not be cheap. I told her.